my dear friends. This video has been prepared in resemblance with the article Natural Magnetism, Magnetic Field and Weak Field, or Alteration of Day and Night in a Day, published by the International Journal of Science and Research on June 2020, Volume 9, Issue 6, and pages 1186 to 1194. My dear friends, there is sole equal and opposite manifested nature. This equal and opposite manifested nature was revealed. Revealed means created and manifested prior to the revelation, that means creation and manifestation of finite rational beings. So, equal and opposite is the a priori framework of this manifested nature. Alteration of day and night in a day, that is twice day and twice night, within 24 hours for the equal and opposite Eastern Daylight Time Zone and Western Daylight Time Zone within the east horizon of the upright rectangular universe is the undeniable scientific proof of the equal and opposite a priori framework of natural science. Newton's third law, equal and opposite, has been justifying equal and opposite a priori framework of this manifested nature. Uncontradicted facts of this equal and opposite manifested nature, such as Sirius binary system, Uranian system, natural magnetism, mercurial system, and barrier between equal and opposite natural mechanism called solar system were also revealed, that means created and manifested prior to the revelation, that means creation and manifestation of finite rational beings. So, uncontradicted facts of this equal and opposite manifested nature, such as Sirius binary system, Uranian system, natural magnetism, mercurial system, and solar system, are called a priori sciences or pure sciences. Projected global framework of United Nations is an anti-natural framework of natural science or an anti-natural and unscientific hypothesis within the framework and curriculum of natural science. Searched out natural science is absolutely contradictory to projected and communicated global epistemology since antiquity. In this slide, you will find references of formal grounds, material grounds, and legitimate grounds of searched out scientific findings and corresponding pen, paper, pencil works. In this slide, you will find a few verifiable and justifiable codes related to both contents and contexts of my searched out scientific findings and corresponding pen, paper, pencil works. Our universe is called helium-4 atom. Helium-4 atom has two horizons and two hemispheres. Two horizons are west horizon and east horizon. Two hemispheres are northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. There are four basic forces, four basic fields, and four basic directions of helium-4 atom. Four basic forces are gravitational force, strong force, magnetic force, and weak force. Four basic fields are gravitational field, strong field, magnetic field, and weak field. Four cardinal directions are east, west, north, and south. Crucified sign is the crucial instance or clear proof regarding four basic forces, four basic fields, and four cardinal directions of helium-4 atom. Gravitational force and strong force are equal and opposite forces. Magnetic force and weak force are equal and opposite forces. If an apple falls from the tree towards gravitational field, then rain comes from strong field. If rain comes from projected northern hemisphere or magnetic field, then an apple falls from the tree towards southern hemisphere or weak field. Projected upward direction as northern hemisphere and strong field, and projected downward direction as southern hemisphere and gravitational field have been uninterruptedly concealing from us 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, and 4 cardinal directions of helium-4 atom or manifested upright rectangular universe. Consequently, people of this equal and opposite manifested nature are far away from verifiable framework and justifiable curriculum of natural science and class 2 standard basic scientific knowledge, that is 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, and 4 cardinal directions of this equal and opposite manifested nature. Here you will find projected and communicated global trinity, that is running global world, moving global earth within running and moving global universe. Here you will find projected northern hemisphere or magnetic field and southern hemisphere or weak field. Here you will find projected northern hemisphere or upper half of the global trinity and gravitational field or lower half of the global trinity. Here you will find projected southern hemisphere or lower half of the global trinity and strong field or upper half of the global trinity. Here you will find running and moving western hemisphere or left of the prime meridian and eastern hemisphere or right of the prime meridian. Now, people of this equal and opposite manifested nature, specifically scientists and competent academic authorities, are absolutely unable to provide us recognized confirmation of 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, 4 cardinal directions of helium-4 atom or manifested upright rectangular universe in resemblance with universally accepted global framework of this equal and opposite manifested nature and in correspondence to reality mentioned in page 27 of our National Curriculum Framework 2005. In this slide, you will find brief explanation of the ultimate substratum. Solar universe or solar system cannot be the ultimate substratum of all created beings and things. So, our universe is not a solar universe or a solar system. Our universe is a mighty star like diamond called diamond operator or Sirius. Universe is a Sirius binary system or a binary star system. In this slide, you will find references of Sirius binary system or binary star system. Sirius A of Sirius binary system is the substratum of physics. White dwarf companion Sirius B of Sirius binary system is the substratum of astronomy and astrophysics. Sirius A, guarded by the 4 basic forces, is called planet Saturn. White dwarf companion Sirius B, adorned with stars like diamonds, is called planet Jupiter. White dwarf companion Sirius B is called white square. Sirius A is called black square. This is the peg of the black square. World has been manifested within the black square or east horizon. Two hemispheres of the manifested universe are northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is the equal and opposite entering and ending point of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave. Southern hemisphere is the equal and opposite setting and rising point of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave. Here you will find references of 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, and 4 cardinal directions of helium-4 atom. Crucified sign is the crucial instance or clear proof regarding 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, and 4 cardinal directions of the manifested universe, or helium-4 atom. Page 27 of our National Curriculum Framework has been inspiring us to recognize and confirm magnetic field in correspondence to reality. So, it is necessary to recognize and confirm 4 basic forces, 4 basic fields, and 4 cardinal directions of helium-4 atom, or manifested upright rectangular universe. World has been manifested as a hexagon within Sirius A, or east horizon, or black square of the upright rectangular universe. Manifested hexagonal world is called planet Pluto. Manifested world is not moving due to straight Middle East region of Artha 3D as the peg, or the planet Mars. Manifested hexagonal world has 2 zones and 6 regions. Unit hex is the scientific proof of the manifested hexagonal world. As the peg of the manifested world, the straight Middle East region of Artha 3D is not found in appearance. So, the manifested hexagonal world is appearing as a pentagonal earth like 9/11 pentagon, or spider's net, or house, or star operator. 3 regions of the Western Daylight Time Zone, or upper seashore: southwest region of South Africa, Asia, Australia; upright west region of Arabian Peninsula; and northwest region of Europe. 3 regions of the Eastern Daylight Time Zone, or lower seashore: northeast region of North America, straight Middle East region of Artha 3D, and southeast region of South America. Equal and opposite: upright west region of the appointed Kaaba and straight Middle East region of Artha 3D. Middle dot at the center and junction of the seas, or the peg of the immovable world towards black hole or space bar, or oily table of Newton. Straight Middle East region of Artha 3D, or peg of the immovable world or planet Mars. 6 manifested regions: Leaning Tower of Galileo, or Mount Tur, or upright west region of Arabian Peninsula over water. Peg of the immovable world: 3 regions of the west zone, 3 regions of the east zone. straight Middle East region of Earth 3D towards black hole or space bar. Appearing pentagonal Earth like 9/11 pentagon or spider's net or house or star operator. Appearing pentagonal Earth like 9/11 pentagon within the black square or east horizon of the upright rectangular universe. Appearing pentagonal Earth like 9/11 pentagon with 3 ascending stairs, ground stair of North America and South America, middle stair of Asia, Africa, Australia and Europe, and mountain top stair of Arabian Peninsula. Appearing pentagonal orange, appearing Earth, appearing pentagonal Earth, appearing Earth like 9/11 pentagon, star operator or appearing pentagonal Earth. 3 ascending stairs of the appearing pentagonal Earth, ground stair of North America and South America, middle stair of Africa, Asia, Australia and Europe, and mountain top stair of Arabian Peninsula. Straight Middle East region of Earth 3D or planet Mars, octagonal matter particle, pentagonal Earth, star and star operator or pentagon, appearing pentagonal Earth with 3 ascending stairs, ground stair of North America and South America, middle stair of Asia, Africa, Australia and Europe, and mountain top stair of Arabian Peninsula. Manifested hexagonal world, straight Middle East region of Earth 3D at the center and junction of the seas or planet Mars or peg of the immovable world. Upright west region of the appointed Kaaba and straight Middle East region of Earth 3D. Appearing pentagonal Earth, northeast region of North America, southeast region of South America, southwest region of Asia, Africa, Australia, northwest region of Europe, upright west region of Arabian Peninsula. Equal and opposite, appearing pentagonal Earth and projected moving global Earth. Two contradictories such as identified anti-natural and unscientific hypotheses and searched out verifiable and justifiable natural sciences cannot be true together or false together from the point of view of 4 fundamental categories of knowledge such as space, time, substance and causality. The truth of one, such as universally accepted global framework of natural science, categorically implies the falsity of the other, such as searched out equal and opposite a priori framework of natural science, and conversely, that means the falsity of universally accepted global framework of natural science categorically implies the truth of the searched out equal and opposite a priori framework of natural science. If you are able to recognize and confirm one of the contradictory sets as verifiable and justifiable natural science, then you will be able to recognize and confirm natural magnetism and infallible and unerring statistics regarding alteration of day and night in a day. Mechanism is of two kinds: natural mechanism such as sunlight and man-made mechanism such as lamplight. Correspondingly, magnetism is of two kinds: natural magnetism and man-made magnetism. Equal and opposite stages of journey of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave, is the manifested sign of natural magnetism and clear proof of natural magnetic directions. Morning show and evening show of the sister planet Venus, and infallible and unerring statistics regarding alteration of day and night in a day for the equal and opposite Eastern Daylight Time Zone and Western Daylight Time Zone within the east horizon of the upright rectangular universe are the scientific proofs of natural magnetism and natural magnetic directions. Each individual gifted with common sense is able to understand the traveling of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave from magnetic field to weak field and turning back from weak field to magnetic field as the manifested sign of natural magnetism and scientific proof of natural magnetic directions, that is, natural north direction and natural south direction. We cannot perceive the presence of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave at a time in the equal and opposite Eastern Daylight Time Zone and Western Daylight Time Zone due to traveling of the barrier between equal and opposite natural mechanism or solar system, or Einstein's gravitational wave at the speed of light, or so-called sun, or Einstein's electromagnetic wave. Periodic motion of the white moon or planet Uranus of each zone and gravitational wave or solar system. Traveling of light, or so-called sun, and traveling of the barrier or solar system or gravitational wave at the same speed. Light or electromagnetic wave, light within the black square or east horizon, dark umbrella or electron cloud, octagonal matter particle within the east horizon or black square, new moon of the east zone, new moon of the west zone, barrier or solar system between equal and opposite natural mechanism, white moon or planet Uranus and non-luminous moon or planet Neptune of each zone, equal and opposite planet Uranus and planet Neptune of each zone, that is 4 Galilean moons, planet Uranus and planet Neptune of the east zone, planet Uranus and planet Neptune of the west zone. Uranian system or Newton's visual binaries or 2 moons, or periodic motion of the planet Uranus or white moon of each zone, periodic motion of the planet Uranus of the west zone. First week, that is first period, from North Pole to South Pole. Second week, that is second period, from South Pole to North Pole. Third week or third period, from North Pole to South Pole. Fourth week or fourth period, from South Pole to North Pole. Periodic motion of the planet Uranus of the east zone. First period, that is first week, from South Pole to North Pole. Second week, that is second period, from North Pole to South Pole. Third week, that is third period, from South Pole to North Pole. Fourth week, that is fourth period, from North Pole to South Pole. Mercurial system, even and odd contrast or necessary relation between periodic motion of the planet Uranus or white moon of each zone and equal and opposite stages of journey of the so-called Sun. Mercurial system or 4 points of light, the so-called Sun or light as the Einstein's electromagnetic force enters from northeast in correspondence to North America and sets in southeast in correspondence to South America for the Eastern Daylight Time Zone of North America and South America. The so-called Sun or light turns back from the setting point due to equal and opposite natural framework, unalterable law of nature, uninterfering natural mechanism, and natural magnetism. The so-called Sun or light as Einstein's electroweak force rises from southwest in correspondence to Asia, Africa, Australia and ends in northwest in correspondence to Europe, covering upright west region of the appointed Kaaba for the Western Daylight Time Zone of Africa, Asia, Australia, Arabian Peninsula and Europe. Light or so-called Sun enters from E point and sets in T point for the Eastern Daylight Time Zone of North America and South America. So, in North America and South America of the Eastern Daylight Time Zone, the entering direction of light or so-called Sun represents North Pole or natural north direction, and setting point of light or so-called Sun represents South Pole or natural south direction. Light or so-called Sun rises from T point and ends in E point for the Western Daylight Time Zone of Africa, Asia, Australia, Arabian Peninsula and Europe. So, in Africa, Asia, Australia, Arabian Peninsula and Europe of the Western Daylight Time Zone, the rising direction of light or so-called Sun represents South Pole or natural south direction, and the ending direction of light or so-called Sun represents natural north direction or North Pole. The question, is globalization really necessary? Is globalization really necessary? Categorically suggests that global framework is not a natural framework or an a priori framework of this manifested nature. Thank you.